Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to do a quick demonstration on how to change from your default browser to another browser. Your default browser is that browser that came pre-installed with your operating system. So my operating system is Windows 11 and my default browser is Microsoft Edge. So I'm going to change from Microsoft Edge to Google Chrome and back to Google Chrome. Let's get started. From your start button, go to Settings, Apps, Default Apps. Scroll down to Google Chrome. Select Google Chrome and select Set Default. Please remember to subscribe to the channel. Thank you. From your start button, go to Settings, Apps, Default Apps. Scroll down to Microsoft Edge, select Microsoft Edge, select Set Default. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Ciao.